The leads are competitiveness, peer pressure, and ability of the individual.
According to me, the students are more pressure and tense. This is because of the competitiveness in the upcoming generation. So we can see that we have the example of the NEET exam. We can see that there are the students who get the
depression because as we know that many students don't want to take a stream, but because of peer pressure they take a stream and they don't have interest in it.
Agreed to peer pressure, stress and anxiety is more increasing in our youth. Why? Because peer pressure creates competition, and then because of peer pressure, one student is doing very excellent, one is doing very extraordinary.
In my point of view, I feel like competitiveness is one of the most important reason why students are under tension, because in the recent years, we have seen that lakhs of people are giving and passing out exams in 1 year. But they are having a lot of when they see that they are in lakhs, they are compared to lakhs of people, they feel pressurized. They feel that they lack some talent within themselves, or they are getting a late start.
According to me, the competition is the most is the factor which basically tends the students and stresses more. This is because we can see that in the previous in the upcoming years and the year which we are going from, the most of the students, there are lack of students who are participating in the exam like NEET and in JEE, but there are only limited seats. So the competition is increasing day by day.
You will have a good peer group, you will improve yourself and it will enhance you. But when it comes to competitiveness, the competitiveness has increased such much extent that there are only limited seats, which is affecting students to face more stressful.
If there is competition, some of the students won't get annoyed by the competition, but when their side students and the surrounding peers are doing great, then they feel the level of stress and anxiety more.
Parents are doing their best. They are trying their best, but when they see that the peers are promoting some other student who is doing better than them, then I think they get more pressure, more anxiety, they overwork themselves and they deteriorate.
That will decide me like I will win at any time. I will not push that much effort. But if I have a rival who is coming closer to me step by step, second by second, I will put my best in that so I can win against him. I can win at least compared to him.
Adding to just I want to say that we can see that in our classes we can see that there are students who have completed the syllabus already before the time, such as if we are in the class 11th and 12th, we can get to know about the students who have already completed the class 11th and 12th syllabus in the class 9th and 10th only. This basically increases the competition and also
but competition creates because there is also healthy competition. Competition creates a spirit that we have to do right, I have to do more this time. But when their peers, when the peers are doing more great, the peers who are doing more great some of the humans have the ability to undermine those who are not performing that well. So this creates anxiety, depression, and leads to more health effects.
I feel like competition is increasing day by day because there are so many e-learning platform now which due to which students are able to do to clear the concept very clearly, and they are not and because of that competitiveness of the exam are also increasing, and that's why there are
We usually get to hear that Sharmaji's boy is doing very well.
We need to do more.
But internal, we should also focus on the very given exam. Even if I feel I will not have any regret about that. But if I have worked hard,
that because of society, the student is
the lower batch. So this also
In my point of view, why peer pressure? Because peers are some people who are always surrounds us and surrounded by us. So their influence is more. But there is no anxiety and stress for all of them. But when our peer is doing something of a great extent, they create a certain level of anxiety. And in ourselves, we think that why we can't do that. If our peer is doing at a much greater level, why we are not improving ourselves, not doing this creates a level of stress and anxiety.
About mental strength, and we in the process of preparing for any exam or any competition, we have to strengthen our medical strength also. And also, as we know that there are so many colleges and they have limited seats.
I would like to put forward a very interesting point, that is, even if the peer pressure helps you grow, it is the peer whose progress can pressure you can also help motivate you. You can take a half full a glass with half full water or half empty water. If you take it in a positive way that my peer is able to do it, even I will be able to do it. That's taking it in a positive way. Lot of people take it in a negative way, but there the peer who might have unintentionally pressured him also comes to help him. But the thing is that
We should be more exploring on what the individual's pros and cons are, and we should work on that. We should not apply peer pressure, and we should not, like chess number 9's idea, we should not select certain stream because our peer is saying so.
gentlemen,
I agree with you. A person don't have interest in something, and just because of peer pressure, he is getting into that field. Then what is the idea? And there is many fields which are empathy, and no one is going.
But gentlemen,
As
it's a human
well, people
tendency.
commonly say
But
that-
gentlemen, it's the human tendency to think that where the group is going, that might be a better part than what he is taking alone. So the the normal public will try to go to the part where a lot of people are going, like in JEE Mains and NEET exam. Lot of people are going, and the competition is increasing second by second. Even in the NEET exam this year, you might have seen that the people who have got less than 680 marks are not even able to get proper government colleges. Even
The paper is leaked and the scenario is different. We cannot compare this different situation with the previous ones.
gentlemen, that
we can
has
see
not
that-
been proved right now, but we can also see that 68 people have got 720 marks. 30 of the people who are trying to getting selected, but the thing is that it is also rejecting a lot much more than that.
There was only 9 to 10 lakh attempts, but in this year there are 13 lakh attempts. We can see that in NEET also. In this year, the NEET attempt was around 20 to 25 lakhs. So basically, the competition increasing, and also the.
I understand that many people have different ideas, different approaches, but they are forced to join engineering or medical due to peer pressure. So I think this creates more stress when they are not able to do.
The main thing which is putting pressure on the student is that he has to get selected. He has to do something, otherwise his future is in danger. When you are a 17 or 18 year student, you have to think about your future because you have lived very less time. You have a long life ahead. But a proper start can give you a better life ahead.
The pressure is something which demotivate you to do something.